In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and bountiful. Respected teachers, honorable guests, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We proudly celebrate 14th August every year. Freedom is the great blessing of Allah. 14th August is the red letter day in the history of Pakistan. Emergence of Pakistan is the great blessing of Allah. Pakistan is the unique Islamic state which has predefined on Islamic ideology. Ideology of Pakistan is based on teachings of Islam. We got this country under the dynamic leadership of our great Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Our forefathers had to bear numberless trials. They lose everything and made sacrifices to attain our dear homeland. Pakistan is the reality of Allama Iqbal's dream and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's ideology. We are the Muslims of subcontinent succeeded to get freedom due to the courage, determination, foresight and notable contribution in Pakistan movement. Allama Iqbal was the great thinker of Pakistan according to the Allama Iqbal. Pakistan is an ideological Islamic state. Its existence is due to Islam. Pakistan is mainly based on teachings of Islam. Dear audience, Pakistan is the fault of Islam. We are an independent nation because Quaid-e-Azam said that. We are a nation with distinctive culture and civilization, language and literature, art and architecture, names and nomenclature, social values and proportion, legal laws and moral codes, customs and calendars, history and traditions, aptitude and ambitions. In short, we have our distinctive outlook of life. Being atomic power, we have great importance in the world. So we should work hard to make the Pakistan more developed and progressive country. Father of the nation gave us a golden slogan of faith, unity and discipline to succeed in the world. Today, Pakistan is facing numerous challenges. There is terrorism, socialism, nepotism, corruption, economic crisis, political instability and social discrimination. As being responsible citizens, we should develop civic sense to wipe out all the social problems. We have to follow the teachings of Islam and Qai's advice in order to make the Pakistan great and strong. Let's make a promise. As being Pakistani, we will turn new leaf to make the Pakistan great and powerful. Inshallah, very soon we will carry the day when Pakistan is included in developed and progressive countries. May Pakistan live long. Pakistan Zindabad.